Teaching maths and science in school has never been easy. Students often find the subjects difficult or boring. Why? Because it's hard to understand just by reading. But what if we can see the experiments, interact with numbers, and learn with fun and visuals? That's what ZeroScienceLab does. Designed specially for grades 6 to 10, this platform brings classroom learning to life using smart digital tools. ZeroScienceLab is not a video learning platform. It's a fully interactive digital lab, installed right in the classroom's digital board, works with basic internet connection. And teachers, even with great effort, are limited by time and classroom resources. That's where ZeroScienceLab comes in. We all know that real learning happens in 3 ways: listening to the teacher, observing how things work, and practicing it with our own hands. But most classrooms allow only the first part, listening to teacher. Now, with ZeroScienceLab, every teacher can explain the topic clearly, show visual examples and simulations, and allow students to interact and try it out themselves. This means teachers spend less time drawing on the board, and more time helping students understand and enjoy the subject. Students can explore virtual physics and chemistry science labs, perform experiments safely, and understand even complex topics in minutes. In maths, they can play with numbers, shapes, complex trigonometric, algebraic formulas through interactive simulations, without any math anxiety and fear. The platform follows NCERT and Andhra Pradesh state syllabus, is aligned with NEP 2020, and partnered and promoted by Ministry of Education, India under NEET. It has also been evaluated by AICTE and recommended for schools across the country. Studies show that using visual and interactive tools improves student attention by over 95%. So now, your teaching becomes easier, smarter, and more effective. Before closing the presentation, we would like to add few words about our mission. Why are most of our youth choosing jobs, but not innovation? For the past decade, India has produced very few scientists, inventors, or researchers. And when we looked deeper, we found one common root: a lack of interest in maths and science, starting right from the classroom. Not because students are weak, but because learning never felt exciting. ZeroScienceLab is here to change that. If even two students from each school choose science with passion, we are building India's innovation future. This mission is led by Ramkumar Ramdevu, an M.Tech from BITS, and his wife Geeta Ramdevu, a postgraduate from IIM, along with experts and advisors from DRDO, ONGC, and IITs. All we want is ignite young minds and make them fall in love with mathematics and science. Thank you.